Hello student, now we are going to learn what is cutting tool and classification of cutting tools. First, what is cutting tool? This is single point cutting tool. This is multi-point cutting tool. What is cutting tool? Cutting tool is required in machine tools. What is machine tools? A machine tools is a machine which is specially designed to produce defined shape and size on a job with removing metal. Okay, cutting tool is required in machine tools for machining processes, in metal cutting or metal forming to attain the desired shape and size of a product. Cutting tool is a wedge shape and sharp edge device that is used to remove excess layer of material from the workpiece by shearing during machining in order to obtain desired shape, size and accuracy. Okay, cutting tool is basically the cutter used in machining operation. It is rigidly mounted on the machine tools. Okay, a relative velocity between workpiece and cutting tool is also provided by various mechanical and other arrangements of cutting action. Okay, now what is the classification of cutting tool? Classification of cutting tools. A, with respect to number of cutting point used. With respect to number of cutting point used, number 1, single point cutting tools. Number 2, multi-point cutting tools. Okay, first, what is single point cutting tool? This is single point cutting tool. This is tip tool, cutting single point cutting tool. This is diamond pointed single point cutting tool. This portion is diamond. This is tool bit. This is the tool bit. This is single point cutting tool. This is the single point cutting tool. Okay. Now, what is single point cutting tool? The simplest form of cutting tool having only one cutting edge. Such cutter have only one main cutting edge that participate in cutting action at a time. Okay. The machining rate of such tool is low than multi-point cutting tool. That means rate of metal removal is less. Single point cutting tool, it is widely used in lathe tool, shepherd tools, planer tools, boring tools, slotting tools, etc. Okay. Now, what is multi-point tool? Multi-point cutting tool. This cutting tool having two or more cutting edges is called multi-point cutting tool. This tool contains more than one main cutting edges that can simultaneously remove material in a single pass. Okay. The machining rate of such tools is higher. That means rate of metal removal is high. Okay. Example of multi-point cutting tool: drills, reamers, taps, die, boches, milling cutters, etc. are multi-point cutting tool. Okay. This is a figure of drills, multi-point cutting tools. This is the figure of milling cutter, multi-point cutting tools. This is the figure of grinding wheel, multi-point cutting tools. This is the figure of multi-point cutting tool. Okay. Now, classification of cutting tool B with respect to materials used in tools. High carbon steel tools, HT tools. High speed steel tools, HSS tool. Cemented carbide tools, stearite tools. Cemented oxide or ceramics tools, diamond tools, abrasives tool. Okay. Now, classification of cutting tools C with respect to the types of operations used in tools. In lathe, there are separate turning tool. In lathe, for knurling operation, there are separate knurling tool. In lathe, for parting of operation, there are separate tool, parting of tools. In thread cutting, in lathe, there are separate cutting tool, thread cutting tools, etc. Okay. Classification of
cutting tools. C. With respect to the direction of tool movement during cutting. Right hand tool, cutting from right to left. Right hand tool moves from right to left end. Right hand tool moves the tool from the tailstock end to the headstock end. Right hand tool, the cutting edge of right hand tools is on its left side edge. This is right hand tool. This is moved from right to left in this direction. In right hand tool, cutting edge is in left side. Okay, this is the cutting edge. Left hand tool, cutting from left to right. Left hand tool moves from left side to right side end, moves the tool from headstock end to the tailstock end. In left hand tool, cutting edge of left hand tools is on its right hand end. This is the left hand tool. It is moved from left to right direction of tool movement. In left hand tool, cutting edge in right side direction. Okay, this is the cutting edge. Classification of cutting tool. D. With respect to the motion of tool. Linear motion tool. For linear motion tools, linear motion means from left to right or right to left in this direction, or from bottom to top or top to bottom. Example of linear motion tools: lathe, boring tool, boching tool, planing tool, shaping tools. Okay. Next, rotary motion tool. Rotary motion tools, tool moves
in rotary motion, clockwise or anti-clockwise. Example of rotary motion tools: milling cutter, grinding wheel, etc. Next, linear and rotary tools. It has both linear movement, left to right, right to left, or bottom to top or top to bottom, and at a time rotary movement, Example of linear and rotary tools: drills, honing tools, boring head, etc. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.